Hey there guys, this is my young birds that are all going to one loft races this year. Well, most of them. Just medication, treatment right now going on for them for 7 days. Then they're all going to head out. Just in a separate compartment. And then here, oh, it's already open. Here are my young birds this year. There they are. Come on guys, Piotr. Come on, be, come on. They're molting like crazy, as you can see. What's up guys? How about you? Babies, what's up? Come on. Come on. What's up, baby? Come on. You guys might see this, might see them a little bit more when they start, when I start letting them out in the mornings when I'm off. But for now, you guys can see them here. They're molting like crazy. I haven't seen them for a week. My brother's been taking care of them. My partner. They're kind of scared of me because I'm not even wearing my loft clothes. But not that scared. They recognize me at least. Use gravel. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's just pure gravel we put on the floor for now until they finish molting, until the racing season starts. Come on. Where are you guys? Come on. Why are you guys shy? Come on. That's a Houben bloodline right there, that blue bar with the white around the neck. This is half vanloon, half JoJo's loft, which is Jansen's. This one right here in front. That's a vanloon, pure vanloon. The other one's half and half. The mealy's pure vanloon. Most of my bloodline's vanloon nowadays. I don't keep anything that's not good. They have to be the best for me to keep. Show you guys a little bit about my one loft birds. He's the one loft bird, guys. Look at him. They're so scared. They were just weaned probably 5 days ago. They were weaned. And I haven't seen them since, so after the first day. Just finished all my work. And I got some new blood I'm trying out. Some Houbens. This is a half Houben, half Jansen. The Houben came from Fernando's from Texas. Fernandez or some shit like that his name was. I forget. And the other half is Big Dog Golden Matins, I think. From what's his name? Gannis. So it'll be from Tony Elvis. That's pure vanloon right up there, the checker. Super 73 bloodline, all of them. That's Houben, the checker with the white on his nose. Is that what it is? Yeah, it's Houben and one of my best cockbirds from One Loft Race, which was 541 last year from Canadian International One Loft. He did pretty well for me. So got a few children I'm sending of his down. Just a test pair for me from the Houben, see how they do for One Loft races. If they do good next year, I might send back to South Africa. So these are some of the birds. Mostly all nestmates, mostly all vanloons in here. Come on, guys. Come on. What's up, babies? Why are you guys so scared, huh? What's up? The ones that you see bands on, they're in special races. Those are the birds that are here from the auction that we got on Sunday. So we're medicating them as well. The ones that have the orange and the one that has the green. They're green ones, I think, for gold band, and orange ones are for Guelph auction or ECC, one or the other. I don't have that many first rounders. Had 25, I think, only. And I'm down to 18 because they were too old. I was too late to bring them over and let them out for the first time, so a few of them got lost. Some of the young birds here, first time letting them out, they disappeared for 4 hours and they came back home. So that tells me hopefully I have a good year, good racing season this year. And then we're gonna head to my breeding loft, check it out, see how that goes. It's way in the corner. I haven't been here for a while, so let's just see. Who is this? Oh, it's the foundation cock right here. 996. The pure Super 73 vanloon. It's our foundation cock bird since he's a 07, I think, or most of the birds are, most of my family is based on him. His father was 8 times first. He knows he's gonna get a treat, that's why he's waiting there. But he doesn't know that I'm not gonna give him anything. So all the birds, all the breeders this year, they're still together. I gotta separate them after this round. They're just hanging around, watching nothing. As you can see, they're not scared as bad. At least they know who I am. There's some youngsters in there somewhere. I can hear them squeaking. What's up, guys? What's up? Want food? Well, he didn't feed you guys enough, did he? This hen is his granddaughter. This is from his son. His son and his another vanloon from the same blood was mated. His son was 2 times first on the combine for us, and she won us ACC Classic. She's my favorite hen in the loft. So the number is 1669. She's also a pure vanloon. So. Okay, I'll feed you guys. Let me just finish this video. This hen came in 2011, I think, or 2010 at the Canadian International One Loft, 18th place. So we wanted to try her out, see how she does as a breeder. As you can see, she still has her red band on, electronic band. What hen is this? 656, I think. She's one of the racers. She did well, so we trying her out for stock. This is 2001, Gold Band 2001. Out of all the cockbirds, he's the only one remaining as a vanloon, full vanloon, but mixed. Father's from Bob Durha, 28 times first in prizes, top 10 prizes, sorry. And the mother is a son of our foundation cockbird and our foundation hen as well, but she passed away this year. She had a heart attack. She was, I think, too old or too overweight, something like that. She had a heart attack and she was dead. So Had to give a different hen, try it out. So the mom of that would be 1270, would be a late hatch from 2008. I wish I can go in there with this, but I don't feel like it. I just want to feed them and get inside. But that's all for now, guys. Enjoy.